We're going to show you how to install in this Wrangler SUV.
The first step is we're going to slip on the center console cover. Then we are going to slip on the bottom set of the seat cover, while also pushing the buckles down the crease. After that, we're going to push the seat cover over the seat adjuster, and for any tucking like this, we recommend using the orange tucking tool. Then we're going to grab the small bungee cord and tie it to the one on the other side. Then we can grab the buckles that we pushed through the crease and buckle them on the bottom. Then we are going to cinch them tight to the seat. And we're going to repeat this process on the passenger seat as well. Then we're going to slide the top of the seat cover onto the seat. We will then make sure that the seat covers are tightly secured to the holes that hold the headrest. And then we'll pull the material together and then zip it up at the bottom. And after that, we can push down the flaps under the crease. We are now ready to put the headrest back on and then add the cover over top. Make sure to tuck any flaps underneath the headrest. Now do the same thing you just did, but on the passenger side, and you're done with your installation. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out at info@seatcoversolutions.com.